Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to use GitHub and the basic functions of the website. So, in essence, GitHub is a cloud platform and a website where we can add our files, such as program files and text files, in an organized fashion so that it's more accessible to our team and to others if we decide to share it to the rest of the world. So, it's pretty easy to use. It's kind of scary at first, but once we get into it, I'm sure you guys will realize it's not as difficult as it seems.
This couldn't happen again.
So I'll be going through every step you need to take to make a GitHub account and upload to a workspace. So first we're going to click on Google Chrome and search up GitHub. And I already have an account, so I'm just going to click sign in, but if you don't have an account, it's pretty easy to sign up. You just put your username, email, password, and that's pretty much it. It's free, by the way. For your username, for our team members, I would prefer if you put at least your first name and your username so it's more recognizable to us. So I'm going to click sign in because I already have an account. And you need to verify your email address. So to verify your email, all you have to do is click on the email that's sent and click this, verify email address. I'm going to skip this for now. That's pretty much all it takes to make an account. It's pretty simple.
This couldn't happen again.
Now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download the desktop offline version of GitHub, which you can download on pretty much any computer. So let's click on a new tab and write download GitHub desktop. Click this link, and so I'm pretty sure that it will automatically detect which operating system you're using. And for me, I'm using Windows 64-bit. If you're using Mac OS, there is a version for Mac OS, and I'm not sure if there is one for Linux. So I'm going to click download. And it's pretty easy to set up. It's not going to take too long. Open it. Okay, so now that it's done installing, I'm going to click on sign in to GitHub with my username and password. I'm going to click continue. And I'm going to uncheck this because I don't feel like having GitHub collect my personal data. But if it doesn't bother you, then I guess you don't have to uncheck that. But that's my personal preference. And that's pretty much how you download GitHub. I will be showing you how to connect to a repository, which is basically a workspace where you add files, and we will be adding to the Unibots Robot Code 2021 repository, which is where we'll be saving all of our code for this year throughout the season, pre and post build. So as soon as you make your account, please send me your username so I can add you to a repository and send an invite. So once you get added, you get an email that basically says you've been invited to collaborate to this repository. So you're going to click view invitation and click accept invitation. So you can actually add this to your desktop app, and this is how you do it. So basically you just have to click code and open with GitHub desktop. Click open GitHub desktop.exe and click clone. Okay, so now you have access to the repository on your computer. Okay, so now you have successfully connected the repository that will be collaborating together as a software subteam to your computer, meaning you can add files to this. You do not own the repository. I own the repository. For now I do, and so does Zayad, but in the future, whoever is the software lead is most likely the one who has access. But you guys can add to the files. So you can't change the settings, but you can add files, which is what we're going to be doing throughout the year. And I'm going to have you start turning in your assignments by putting them on GitHub, I think. We'll see. So next, I'll be showing you guys how to add, remove, and edit files.
This couldn't happen again.
So you can add files both on the website and on the desktop app, but for now I'll just be showing you how to add them on the website because it's easier. When we start getting into build season and coding actual robot code and using VS Code, there's a way you can actually connect the IDE directly to GitHub, and I'll be showing you that later on. But that's what you need the desktop for, basically. So the way you add is click on the repository on the website. So here, let me show you from the top. So go to, if this is where you are, this is the home screen. On the left side, there is all your repositories, and the only one that my account is on, or has, is the Unibots, this one. In order to add a file, you click Add File, Upload Files, scroll down, and click Choose Files, or you can drag and drop them. So basically, just all you're looking for is a Java file, because we use Java, so if you're using BlueJ, just go down the path of the File Explorer to find your Java file. I will show you guys this more in depth as we go on. Maybe closer towards build season, I'll show you guys exactly how to use and how to get comfortable with using VS Code. But for now, it doesn't really matter. You can use BlueJ, you can use Eclipse, you can use any other kind of IDE. As long as you have Java files, that's all that matters, because we're using Java. So I'm here, I just have some random Java files. I'm just going to select one of them, robot.java. I'm going to click it and scroll down. You can write descriptions. I'm going to write test trial because I don't know, why not? And every change you want to make, this is important, every change that you want to make to a repository, you have to go commit changes, because things don't save automatically. You have to basically deploy the changes to the repository. So click commit changes, and you have successfully added a file. See? Added files via upload. Now let's say you accidentally upload the wrong thing, or you uploaded something before it was ready. You can easily delete it. Just click on the file. Oh, by the way, you can always look back on your code or on any files just by clicking the link. So you can edit, and you can open it in GitHub Desktop if you want to edit it there. Let's say you want to delete it. Actually, I think, can you edit this file? Okay, looks like you can also edit code here. So if you guys ever look through your code and think there's errors, you can add commenting on each other's code, but please don't change anything without each other's permission. So I'm going to click cancel to get out of here. Okay, so back here, let's say you want to delete it. Click delete this file, and again, you have to make sure that you click commit changes, or else nothing's going to happen. Alright, it's as simple as that. Also, if you guys are curious about who has access, you can see on the side here under contributors, there's currently only me and Unibots, that is contributing to this, and you can also see the languages that we use, and you can see that 100% of it is Java. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, GitHub is pretty easy to use. You just have to get used to some of the functions and the way it works. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more videos like these, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I may make a part 2. We shall see what the future holds. Until next time.
This is the thrill divine. What's more